guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello, my name is Ziya, and this is my little YouTube channel where we are doing 31 days of Halloween. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Halloween wreath. You could really make a wreath however you want to. You could use fake flowers, you could use a garland, you could use a styrofoam form, or this type of form that I have right here, the wire one that I got from the dollar store. Whether it's for Halloween or Christmas or whatever season you want to do it for, there's a million ways to make a wreath. And I'm just going to show you this one that I'm making up on the fly. Because I'm not completely sure what I want it to look like yet. Originally I was just going to cover the whole thing in flowers, but I feel like maybe I should make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm first going to start off by getting this garland. Almost everything that I'm going to be using for this wreath is from the dollar store, by the way. Each of these garlands are 9 feet long. So this thing here is 14 inches from this end to this end. So to start off, I'm going to take the garland and I'm just going to twist it around one section right here to start with, so that when I start wrapping it around, it has a place to go. And a good idea, so that you don't have to keep pulling it, is to actually wrap it around your hand like so. And then feed it through like that, so that you don't have to pull over and over again. I'm basically going to use this garland as a base to cover the whole form. As you can see, if I bunch it together fairly tightly, it covers about half. So you definitely need 2 9-foot garlands. Since these are wire on the inside, I'm just wrapping it around itself a couple of times so that it stays in place. Alright guys, here's the wreath so far. As of now, this has cost me $3 to make. Not a lot at all. And next, I think I'm going to take some of these black roses. Each bundle of these at the dollar store costs $1. Each of these has 6 roses on it. I think that's all I'm going to be using for this project. Instead of keeping it all together, I'm actually going to snip each rose off of here. So I have 5 roses here right now. If I need more, I will cut them later. And I'm going to push up the little leaf portion just to add a little bit more bulk to the rose itself. It helps. And since the whole thing is black anyway, it doesn't really make much of a difference between the flower petals and the leaves. So once I have this looking as full as possible, I'm just going to take my rose and loop it around a couple of the wire areas. And I'm literally just bending the stem of my rose to tie it around itself and the wires so that it holds onto here. And then it ends up that way. So I'm going to add a few more and we'll see how that turns out. Always wrap the stem around at least 2 of the wire portions of the wreath, because then it'll actually hold in place a bit better. Otherwise, it just is a little too flimsy. I really love that these roses have these little, I don't know what these are, these little thorny areas, because it adds so much more interest to each of the flowers. And having that little bit sticking up just looks really cool. Adds a little bit more style to it. I think it just looks neat. Also going to add these little feather thingies. It looks like feathers, but they're leaves, whatever. They look really, really neat. I bought it in like this one little bunch. This was actually from Michael's. This is definitely the most expensive piece that I have for this because it wasn't from the dollar store. Alright, so instead of using this whole thing, I ended up just cutting off a few different little pieces right here. And I'm going to attach them so that they're kind of going inwards along with the garland, kind of like that, like so. I want it a little lower. So I'm wrapping it similarly to how I did the roses, but instead of wrapping it around multiple of the wires going through here, I'm just wrapping it around one, since the stem of these are actually much thicker than the roses. And I think I'm just gonna have 3 portions. I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm literally just wrapping the stem around the wire form and just adjusting it to sit where I want it to sit. And there's what we have so far. I also have these lights. It turned on earlier. I just put new batteries in it. Okay, this was garbage. It's a waste of time. So, don't need it. That was also from the dollar store. It doesn't work. Waste of my time. So, here is what it looks like. And that is how I made this wreath. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this helped and gave you a little bit of inspiration for Halloween decorations that you can do on your own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for more Halloween DIYs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.